Alright, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you people how to download song from Audiomack to your file manager. Or let's assume you see a free beat you love and you want to make use of it to sing your own song. You know that you cannot use this Audiomack to record your own song. I have taken this process before, but I've seen that many people have been finding it difficult. But I'm going to repeat the process again, and if it is not working, I'm going to find another solution how you can do it, because I don't know why other people are complaining that they can't do it. So let me teach you people how to do it again so that you understand. Let us go by free beating. By free beat. For me, let's just download it. Oh, this song is already downloaded. So let's look for another one. Let's download two. The beat is still okay. Let's just download that. Yeah, the song is already downloaded. I have downloaded two songs. So today's date is what? 2nd October 2024. You can see it here. You can see it here above. So we are going to use CX File Explorer to do this. We are going to use CX File Explorer to do this. Let us open that. We go to Android. We go to Data. We go to com.audiomack. If this requested permission setting say, please allow the app to access the storage first by following instruction below. It said tap use this folder button on the next screen. So we are going to just click OK. Then you can see use this folder. We are going to tap on it to check if it is going to open this file. You can see again, it said C allow CX File Explorer to access file in com.audiomack. This will let CX File Explorer access current and future content stored in com. Yes, let's allow. You can see another English language which is very annoying. It says permission setting. The selected folder is not the top level folder of the storage. Please try again. Please allow the app to access the storage first by following instruction below. It has taken us back again. If you go back, you see it continue doing this thing again and again. So that means that we cannot access this folder with this CX File Explorer. We are going to check another method if your own is doing this way. Okay, let us use our main file manager. As you can see it here, I'm going to open it. Android, data, yes, allow. We are going to go to Android, data. We are going to open com.audiomack file. We are going to select file, Audiomack, 1.7 MB. Look at the second one here. Look at the second one here. Here is the two bits we already downloaded. All we are going to do here is to rename this app. Let's take it one by one because you cannot rename to file at the same time. All you're going to do is to put point. We are going to write free beat, free Afro beat, free beat Afro point MP3 Then all you are going to do is press this. As you can see the song here, down here. Let's do the second one. Yeah, see here is the second one. I'm going to rename it here again. Let's just write free beat. Then point mp3 second. As you can see the song, all of them are here. Let us play the song and know if the song is going to play. The song is now playing in another music player. Let me open my music player here to check if the song shows up here. So the song will not show up here. Let me just make a song to show up here. All you are going to do is to mark all of them and press move to. When you press move to, either you paste it here on download, or you go to the file manager, select the music, anyone you can select. You can do where to move it here. So let's go check it here again. Let's close this app and open it again. As you can see, the two songs here above. Here is the two songs. Let us play it here direct. Secondly, if you are using this audio player, you can use it to write your song. If you are a type of person who loves to sing well, you can type something here, write your lyrics. I am in love with you. I am in love with you. I cannot deny it. So something like that, you can write your song, sing along with the beat. I am in love with you, I cannot deny it. I am a professional, I want to make you. Life is ordinary. Something like that, my people. As you can see, we have succeeded in making this happen. So another one is here. The second bit is downloaded is here. If I want to use this thing to edit my video, I can just use to edit my video. So this is what I want to show you, that I am 100% sure I can do that. Just try this process I followed and you are going to do it. Good luck, my people.